If home is where the heart is, work may be where it roams. Married people who work with lots of members of the opposite sex are more likely to get divorced, with highly educated men appearing to be especially vulnerable to this trend, according to a new study of Danish divorce patterns. In Denmark, we find ideal conditions for this living laboratory. Attitudes towards divorce are mostly positive. There's an assortment of gender ratios throughout various job industries. And the country claims the highest percentage of mothers who return to the workforce, authors say. For the study, they assembled data on all Danish opposite-sex couples who married between 1981 and 2002, as well as data regarding their jobs. About 100,000 of those couples have divorced since that time. As the percentage of opposite-sex co-workers rose, so did the risk of divorce, the team concluded. Men who worked almost exclusively with women were about 15% more likely to get divorced than men who worked mostly with other men, the researchers report today in Biology Letters. For women who worked mostly with men, it was about 10 percentage points. The effect was particularly noticeable in well-educated men, whose risk of divorce was about twice that of counterparts with less education but similar workplace circumstances. Perhaps not surprising, divorce rates were highest in occupational settings with lots of young people and opposite-sex co-workers, such as hotels and restaurants, and lowest in older, largely single-sex sectors, such as farming and libraries. Although it's just one risk factor among many, the researchers note having lots of opportunities to socialize with the opposite sex at work may contribute to marriage instability.